461 orders at $20 a piece, guys. That is over $9,000 minimum selling these orders on Fiverr with a software that you can edit in minutes. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So glad to be back here with a new video. Thank you for all my new subscribers. I know I don't pay a ton of attention to this channel, and not as much as I should because I am working on other projects that take up so much of my time, but I love making these videos for you guys. It makes me feel good to share value and help you out on your internet making money online journey. Today, guys, I'm going to show you a software that I don't really love, but I'll explain it, show kind of how it works, so you can make a decision for yourself that if it's the best thing for you. I'll also show you a couple ways of how we can make money using it, and then you can really decide. Okay, guys, so today we are going to be talking about something that almost every YouTuber could use or need. If they're really big YouTubers who are good at editing themselves, they're probably not going to need this service, but there's a million YouTubers out there who are great at making videos. They love being in front of the camera. Maybe they have a vlog or something, but they're not as tech savvy. They're not good at editing things or animations and things like that. A lot of YouTubers, you've all seen videos like this. You click on it and it has an intro with their logo and it's kind of animated. If you head over to a site like Fiverr, you're going to see a ton of people selling these intros. This seller that I mentioned right off the top from this video, 461 orders, $20 a piece, starting at $20. So minimum she's making over $9,000 selling this. Okay, I pulled up this here just so I can kind of show you what they're selling. So I'm going to play this quickly and you can kind of get an idea. Alright, guys, I don't need to play the whole thing, you get the point. So basically just like animated with their logo, their company, whatever it may be. Now she's selling this at 3 different packages starting at $20 for the cheapest one. Standard 35, premium is 50. So that's why I'm saying minimum she made $9,000 on these orders just on Fiverr. How are these people making these videos? This is what I'm going to show to you so you can do this too. Now, not everybody is making them because they're great animators or they have the editing skills to create these high-tech, flashy animation intros. There are sites that we can use to help us. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. If you haven't, this is going to be awesome to find out. If you have, this is going to kind of give you an inside look because I can show you what it actually looks like inside the software. There's a company called Viddyoze. If you go to Viddyoze.com, you can read all the information kind of about how their product works, the different things you can buy, like if you want the regular purchase or the agency purchase and that kind of thing. We're not going to go into that, guys. You can read on that on your own. But I'm going to kind of show you the inside here so we can look at what they have to offer and decide if it's the best way for us to start making these videos. Basically, what this company does, Viddyoze, this website, is it gives you all these cool templates. So basically you can import a logo or a name, and then it'll allow us to make these videos. So I'll show you one as an example. Click this, go inside, and basically you can upload your own logo or whatever picture you want, and then it'll make a video with that logo as the feature. So you see like all these TVs could have your logo on it, right? And it can be like a cool intro video for your channel or for your client's channel. And they have a bunch of templates, so we can look through a couple just to kind of give you an idea of what Viddyoze has to offer. So like here it's just going to show your text slamming there, kind of like a stadium vibe, but that could say your channel's name, the person's name if they're in business, or the blogger, the influencer, whatever it is. So we can customize this to the client's needs, and then we can sell them on places like Fiverr. So they kind of do a couple different things. You can go through the categories, like if it's an intro video, an outro video. They have some live action stuff, so it can be like your logo, with a guy doing some stuff with cards or camera or restaurant stuff or things like that. Like you can do this little one here with a fishbowl, and it kind of has your logo on this card. All different uses that a client can have. Since we can make these so fast and so easy, it's really easy for us to offer them a bunch of options so they can be happy with either one. And they'll think that we over-delivered, gave them a million choices, and then obviously they pick the one that they like the best. So there's a couple other things too, not just intros and outro videos, but like, they have social stuff here, so you can generate like a thing here, like an overlay. You always see these pop up on people's YouTube channel with their, subscribe to my channel and that kind of stuff. or they have some really nice just logo animations, which they can use as intro videos or really whatever they want. And some of the things are really cool. So, you can have, look at this cool, like, frying pan one. The butter goes in and it kind of slides around and the logo appears as it does that. Super, super cool. Like, the average person would not even have, any ability to create that. But we can make this in literally the click of a mouse, because we'll upload their logo here where it says browse. You just put their logo in. You can even change the color scheme. So, like, if you don't kind of like the way the colors are, you can pick the song that you want. You can leave it as the default, or you can, put something else, more tracks. So there's a lot of customizable things. And then we can be one of these people who are selling a ton of these on Fiverr, and they're making sick money, guys. Like, even if they have a $5 option, they're selling over 1,000. That's $5,000. What I'm going to talk about from this point forward is kind of how we can first become the best people on Fiverr. Now, if you're just getting started on Fiverr, it's going to be very difficult to stand out. The way we need to stand out, if everyone's on Fiverr all saying the same thing, I'll make you an intro video for $5. I'll make you an intro video for $5. You need to expand the value so high that it's obvious for them to choose yours. How do we do that? We offer them more videos for the same price, and that's what these people are starting to do. I will create 20 amazing animated videos for $5. See, that's what you need to do. This person's just saying, I will do a pro custom intro video for $85. I mean, maybe, or I'll get this guy's 20 for $5. Who are you going to choose? I'm obviously going to get the 20 for $5. So you can even up the ante. You can do 30, you can do 50, because what you can literally do is you can go into videos, put their logo into every single template, and send them back 50. It will take you like 20 minutes. And then you can, make $20, whatever. So I would literally send them back all of these and be like, I just want to give you a bunch of options so you can choose which one's best for your business. I spent a lot of work, and really all you did was click a mouse 20 times. And then you can send them back to the client and they can choose what's best for you. So I would come in here and I would say, I'll do 20 for $5, or I'll do 50 for $20. I would just make crazy offers that people can't say no. And honestly, then you're always going to get 5-star reviews, because when someone sends you, or when you send someone 20, 30 things, they're going to be like, wow, a lot of cool options. And that's what all these people are doing. They're just doing intro videos that are very, very similar to what you'd find on Viddyoze. Now, some of these people are making really cool ones because they're just actually graphic designers, or they're using different types of softwares. But Viddyoze, I wanted to give you a kind of a look of what the actual inside looks like if you did purchase this product. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But they have a lot of different things you can, create for people, like different backgrounds if they want to like stream something, or, different things like that. And you can just look at like the different social ones they have. Like this YouTube thing is cool, like for different purposes, but it all depends on the client. Now, another option, what you can do, if you don't want to compete on Fiverr, a better option might be to create a website. I found this guy just on a Google search. I was looking up like, different type of intro video services, logo animations, and things like that. All these are super, super simple, just like the ones we can make on Viddyoze. And he's selling them for like $20, I think it said. Let's see his pricing. Free, if they want one with a watermark, you wouldn't even want to do that. $20, $30, $50. So what I would do if I wanted to make a website, and I'll show you how to do that in a second, just like this guy, I would come in with like a premium price, and then either I would make my own on Viddyoze, okay, or I would purchase these ones on Fiverr for $5. Like, I would come to the top here, I would put my budget, and I would put $5 as my maximum. Then it will only show me people that have a price for $5. Okay, then I would do a little Fiverr arbitrage, which I've talked about in other videos, and I would basically just, when I sell something here for $50, I would go to Fiverr, purchase it for $5, and I would make $45. Then when they send this the $5 purchase to me, I send it to the client, I keep the difference. So I would maybe come in as a premium product. I would either have like a $30, a $50, or an $80 option or something like that, and then purchase it for $5 when I get it. Now, to make a video like this guy, I mean, look at his website. Super, super simple. He has the templates, help, pricing, blog. You don't even need a blog. But I would just have templates, help, pricing, something like that, or templates, contact us, pricing. Go to Google Sites, okay? Click the portfolio template. All right, I'll show you this right here, okay? Sites, They have different templates. Hit the portfolio. Okay, and that's like what this is. This is like a portfolio of options, right? So we're gonna do that. You can start. I'm not gonna do this for this video because it would waste your time. But you could put your site info, some general stuff here, put a picture here, whatever. Then here, this one's giving you the video, but you can change these to video. Like I could click this, I could hit delete. Okay, then I want to come down here and put where is it? Placeholder. Okay, drag this into here. Now I have an option where I can put anything, and it's gonna ask me to pick a video. Upload. This is what I would do. I would go to a site like Viddyoze. I would make like 30 of the videos with random. I wouldn't use the ones that, like, Viddyoze has all of their logos on everything. I would upload a random thing like your name here, like your text here, stuff like this. And then I would upload those videos to YouTube on a separate YouTube channel. That way, when I come to my website here, I can keep putting the YouTube link and put all those videos on my homepage. And I would just build this out and put like 30, not even 30. You could probably put like 10, 15 options or something like that, just so people get an idea of what you could do for them. After you have this site built, then you can start promoting it different ways, right? You could just like start emailing some people, like real estate agents or something like that. Hey, I can make a cool video for you, or for your YouTube, or for anything, or start just reaching out in Facebook groups like, hey, I'm a animation expert, I'm a YouTube intro editor kind of thing. Leave comments on other people's YouTube channel like, hey, I love your channel, I'd love to help you make something, right? And then you can link your website. This is a free Google site, by the way. All these Google sites are free. So I would link that. Then when anyone makes a purchase, I would go buy it on Fiverr. But if you want instant traffic and you don't have to do any promotion, I would still go on Fiverr. Like, look, this is what these people are doing. I will make 50 animated intro videos for $5. You can do the same thing and stand out, because a lot of these people still, even though you see some of them, they're still only doing one for $5. So I would try to just keep upping that, because it doesn't take much of your time. On a site like Viddyoze, you can make one in 10 seconds and you can make 50 in 5 minutes. So that's what I would do, guys. A couple options. I wanted to show you the Viddyoze website, just so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like if you made the purchase. I will leave a link in the description below if that's something you guys want to check out. It's like a one-time fee for, I think, like $47 or something like that. So it's not super crazy. If you make a couple sales, you can make your money back. But I always like to see what the inside looks like before I buy something. So that's why I'm showing it to you guys. Quick, easy way to make animations with like a name or a logo. Upload it to Fiverr. These people are making tons of sales. 44 sales at $5. I mean, that's $800 right there. And then another option, if you want to go like a higher priced option, you can make a website like this guy, charge like $30-50. He's doing nothing better than the people are doing on Fiverr for $5. In fact, some of those people are doing way better videos than the people on Fiverr. Or they're doing way better videos for $5 than he's doing here, and he's selling these for $30, $80. So make a free Google site, guys. Upload some videos, get creative with it, message people in Facebook groups, comment on YouTube videos, and you can make a ton of money. Hope this video was helpful, guys. Thank you for continuing to grow the channel. I love making these videos for you guys and showing you new ways that you can get started making money. Not everybody's ready to take on a serious real business, but you just want to get started as an entrepreneur, make a little bit of money online, get your feet in the water, and start learning some new skills. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, drop a comment below. Tell me what videos you guys want to see next. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, guys. I love you all. I'll see you next time.